This Japanese-style tiny home showcased a remarkable innovation in spatial design centered around hidden cabinet layouts and a split-level attic system. By thoughtfully integrating storage cabinetry beneath the attic stairs, the design ensures that every inch of space is used efficiently without cluttering the visual harmony of the home. This concealed cabinet serves as functional storage for daily essentials, keeping the open areas clean and minimal. At the heart of this home is a split-level attic arrangement, a strategic solution that introduces vertical expansion without overwhelming the compact living area. This tiered layout subtly divides functional zones like sleeping, lounging, and working, while maintaining a seamless spatial connection across levels. The split-level floor concept not only enhances the home's spatial dynamics but also encourages natural air circulation and lighting flow throughout the living space. The result is a compact yet breathable environment that feels much larger than its actually footprint. With a fusion of a traditional Japanese aesthetic and modern ingenuity, this tiny home redefines how minimal space can offer maximum comfort, beauty, and function.